Let me show you how to achieve this beautiful cross bubble top. The first thing you want to do is to fold your fabric or your pattern for the back like this. Then you're going to mark the shoulder measurement. After marking the shoulder measurement, you want to confirm if the remaining fabric or the pattern will be enough for your sleeve length, because it's going to be a continuity from the shoulder downward. Then you want to mark the sleeve opening, which at least should be 15 or 10 inches. You go inward by 1 inches like this, then you mark a straight line downward. After that, you confirm the length which you want, the length of your top. At this point, the next thing is to mark your neck wideness, which at least 3 inches or 3.5. Then you mark the neckline curve just like this. As I cut out, let me tell you about this ultimate application made for fashion designers, and this application is called Snipeit. On this application, you can save your customers' measurements, send invoice to your customers to remind them about any pending payment you are yet to receive from them. Using Stybit will help you never to lose your customers' measurements again, because you can log in into your Stybit account on a new device and you have all the information you've saved previously on your new device. So I'll leave a link in the comment section to download the Stybit application. Go to the comment section, click on the link, and you have the app. Points, you can see I place the back pattern on the front pattern just to mark out the shape. Then I'm going to mark the neck deepness. After that, mark a V neckline. Then I'm going to mark through the full length of the top. Then I'll go downward here to mark 15 to 20 inches depending on how wide you want the collar to be. And I'm going to connect like this. After connecting, I'm going to cut it out. Then voila, we are done. At this point, I'm going to transfer this pattern onto a fabric. So I'm going to cut a fabric using this pattern. After cutting the fabric, then I'm going to join the two sides and also join the shoulder. So this means separating the sleeve for the front, so we can have it just like this. So this is the pattern for the front. Then I'm going to move to transfer this pattern, both the front and the back, onto a fabric. This is the fabric for the back, and I'm going to bring in the fabric for the front, open up the fabric for the back, place the front fabric on that of the back and join it this way, and also join the shoulder. So the shoulder, place the other side, join the side and also the shoulder. So we have it joined now. So the next thing is to fold the lapel and cross it, take the right hand side to the left and also from the left to the right. So I'm going to take it like this, sew it around, and it will go around the back. It's going to serve like a lapel. So if you find this video interesting, like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to follow this page. See you in my next video. Thank you.